This is my O. Henry peach tree, and it is laden with lots and lots of peaches that need to be picked. It's now the end of August, and the birds are starting to get to the peaches before I can. I mentioned this once before because the tree is so heavy with fruit. I had to support many of the branches to keep them from snapping off. So I have this huge network of braces around the base of the tree. The peaches have started falling off the tree, so it is time for me to start picking. I have been removing them a little bit at a time, but I'm going to start giving away peaches and maybe start storing the peaches or freezing the peaches for use later in the year. This is the group of peaches I picked so far, maybe a couple of dozen. I'm going to give most of this away. I still have a ton left on the tree, but they smell so delicious. You wouldn't know I picked any. There's still a ton on this tree, so I have several days worth of picking to do, so I can either prepare something with it like a peach cobbler or peach muffins, or freeze or dry some of these peaches. Update on the peach tree. I just finished picking the last of the peaches. I left a few peaches on the tree for the birds so that they have a little something to enjoy too, but I picked the remaining peaches that were still on the tree today. This box is full of the last of the peaches. I've given away maybe 60 or 70 peaches so far. Oh, maybe closer to 100. And we've eaten probably 20 or 30 already as well. So I'm gonna say there are 40 or 50 in here right now, but they are beautiful. They smell amazing. Just been absolutely delicious.